The first person who really made me speak was Pesach Fiszman. I met him at Yiddish Summer Weimar, and it was kind of amazing. It was my first time at Yiddish Summer. I had just arrived. It was in the middle of the night. I was kind of freaked out. My train was late, so I got to the hotel where I was supposed to pick up a key from the apartment where I was staying. And a lot of people on the faculty were in the lobby when I walked in. And they started talking to me, and I knew some of them. So we started talking. And Pesach was sitting there at the same table on the other side. And I saw this older man looking kind of funny, like studying me while I was talking to somebody in English or in Russian. I can't remember. Doesn't matter. I think Russian. I think I was speaking Russian. And he looked at me for a while, and I could feel this look, and he was like, "For was red das Mädel goyish?" And I just was like, what does this mean? Am I in trouble? Because I had no idea, right? Like, I didn't know what kind of, like, I was jumping into these things, and I had no idea who these people are. Like, I went to these festivals, and I was just like figuring out what this whole thing is, right? And I was like, is this not allowed? Is that a problem? And every time I tried to speak because he spoke so many languages, anytime I tried to speak any other language with him, he would just answer in Yiddish, and he would just completely ignore. And it wasn't any kind of arrogance or anything. He saw that I could understand. Like, if he saw that I couldn't understand, he immediately would translate the word, or help. Like, he did it in such. It's this kind of like. It's also a typical Jewish thing, right? Like, to be a little bit like ballsy in that way, it was with this kind of chutzpah, but then kind of like generous at the same time. I don't know if he did it to everybody who he met, but to me that was a huge thing, because suddenly like things started coming out, and I could speak, and then I would suddenly say something, and he goes like, no, that's German. Don't do that.